Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. Yeah. If I was you, I would cut out my wrist.
Alright.
Rồi dầu lên chó giặt hậu xăng chó.
Không gì cả. Hỏi còn gì cả.
Macam sama ya?
Mana?
Cakap sejuk sama. Kiwa ni. Satu minggu satu kali 2 kali. So technically dia famous dia dekat orang sana, famous dia, famous. Ha?
Video ke?
Vlog. Okey kat kamera macam
Mampu aku duduk dalam ni.
tu lah bagi aku apa setakat ni tu lah for us like I can say the ride here is kind of fun, kind of nice, kind of great I can say, kind of worth it lah, like RM2 only mah, so not that pricey and technically kind of nice lah, kind of nice.
Yang pricey-nya minyak motor.
Yang pricey minyak motor makan banyak. Like there we park our bike there lah, like you can see there, yeah, we park our bike there somewhere like there, but it's so fucking nice lah here to be honest, to get the fuck up from work sekejap and then who knows. Okay, let's get into the second and third dip lah, I can say lah. Alright, nampak nature lah cakap dengan kamera macam dah biasa dah kan, tak? Ya, tinggi sikit. There, like there. Flat sikit, tengok macam mana lighting okey tak?
Oh, mantap kai.
Macam bangang.
Admin buat app lah.
Ya, tinggal ni je. Aku apa lower okey dah.
Tak, atas tu okey sangat kan, bawah.
Ni okey. Yang ni okey sebab aku tengah makan. That's the thing. Aku workout. Aku makan, satu aku workout. So technically ya. Tapi ya, so good as shit here man. Like people here is so nice ah. It's like aku ada external mic actually.
Ya.
Ada.
Sini.
Tapi kat dalam bag lah.
Dia jenis kan cucuk.
Cucuk kat phone, lepas tu mic mount kat sini lah. Technically like that. But it's kind of fun to be honest lah. Just to get the fuck out from the city and go to the like, look at that. See? Nature. I like nature. Masuk lah, tengok boy.
Ni kalau masuk terus ni boleh kena blister kaki.
Blister Memang lah.
Kalau gerak banyak.
Oh, memang. Kayak air nanah lah technically. Tapi tengok depan ni okey lah, chill. So yeah, it's been a while also since I've done vlog. My last vlog that I did is actually like around aku tak dengar vlog tu petang. So around I can say like few weeks ago or months, who knows. I forgot lah, but technically it's been a while since I've been back into like vlogging and stuff. I hope that some special person sees this and see that her boyfriend is actually doing well, doing okay, because of the problem that he's been facing technically around his life. Not both of us is not like memang macam hidup senang, memang tak lah. Macam hari-hari nak enjoy je memang tak lah. Memang itu bukan life lah. Nak enjoy memang nak kena kaya dulu baru boleh enjoy. That's the thing. But yeah, it's nice lah, to be honest lah. Just to get out sekejap, just to feel okay, just to feel nice, just to feel see, wow, there's another people around, right? There's another person that we can talk to, we can chat. Guys, I can say it's not saying gym topic, but let's look into the street. The only Malay that I can think of is just like me and my homie right there. Like a bunch of uncles, Chinese uncles, aunties, and one few Indians also. See, one Malaysia, what? Satu Malaysia, that's the thing. Everybody are equal. That's the thing. Okay? But I think after this we're going to a swimming pool. Near also, like maybe 12 kilometers away. Because today I'm going everywhere, I can say that. I just want to enjoy myself, just release myself from work, release myself from jobs, release myself from, I can say, what? Technically what I can say is just get the fuck out from work. Just get the fuck out from work and feel technically feel nice lah. Something like that. But I hope that everything is going to be okay lah. That's it. Just when it comes to life and stuff, family and shit, man. Family. It's just good. I can say good. Wait, sekejap lagi pasang GoPro. Kita ride sekejap. Oh, footage malam mana?
Wish. Ada. Dekat PC lah.
PC? Oh, shit.
Nak edit.
Okay. Footage malam bagi kat aku juga. Ada nampak aku tak?
Sanggup kan?
Asal?
20 gig.
Boleh? Ada PC mah gua.
Ya.
So technically ni kiranya footage ada dalam GoPro tu.
Ada.
Oh dah tu transfer keluar dah lah. Oh shit. Okay, just give beats 20 gig lah. Oh shit, apa quality yang pakai? 1080 60 fps. I'm going to start recording right now, and who knows, I'm going to start recording right now and see any other places after like this. Kat mana? Selayang. Sini. Tengok lokasi aku bagi you dekat WhatsApp. Aku ada tunjukkan kat mana kan. Selayang kan. Technically we at Selayang right now. Selayang, Batu Cave, Selayang, I don't know, but close, far, but around here lah, somewhere lah. But after this we're going to a swimming pool, like proper swimming pool. So yeah, ciao. So we arrived at the second location. Where there's a swimming pool back there. Me and him just park our bike here lah. Okay, I think the entry is like, but to be honest, Selayang is holy fuck, man. Selayang is crazy. Selayang is like there's so many shit here. So yeah, let's see what do we got lah. Alright, so looks like we're here. Technically, like what the fuck is going on? I don't know lah. I don't know how I wanna swim, or because I don't know how to swim lah.
Betul pakai topi biru kan?
Yeah, kinda.
Macam kena cancel.
Ciao. Okay. Man, I wish I can bring my girlfriend here, to be honest. She would like this, but she's sick right now. No, man. She's sick right now, and I wish I can bring her. Fucking hell. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm gonna start roll the camera now because the battery tak banyak. So thank you so much for watching, right? Butuh macam mana nak bayar sial.
This mental pressure got me popping pills and shit, but I'm into it.